Today we're gonna be digging this tree out. Super easy, super simple. So what we do, I'm gonna start trimming all the branches down, cut it down, chop it up to pieces so we can haul it a lot faster. And then the roots, I start chopping all around with a saw, and then we start hauling it away. That, my friends, that's how you do it. I got my wife over here. She likes that mini saw. Cutting everything up, chopping it down, ready to haul away. Now we're gonna cut the roots. Super easy. Bada bing, bada boom. So now we're gonna chop it down to pieces so we can haul it away. I love chainsaws. Give it an undercut. Then uppercut so it won't get pinched. That's long.